Hi bitches.
Bro, the app is not working.
Submit this shit. Welcome to Rolling Loud, guys. Makan chicken roll. This is called chicken apple.
Hey, Rolling Loud, make some noise for Central C. I put the track, where's your type? Why? Cause I don't have a 9 to 5. I get their standards high, but I'm not a random guy, I'm different. She sucked my soul, she done it like Ash, cash. I keep on getting them flashbacks. I was OP, so I had to bash. I almost thought about getting her. Do that recon video, that if we upload it, probably get some. Back show, she got a ripple effect, it's too tempting, I can't help but. Yo, I got a commitment issue, but I'm trying to fix that for you. If I can't afford that bag that you want, then I will lick that for you. I wanna be there for you, I knew that the day I saw you. Too many times we argue, sorry for all of the days I called you. God forbid the girls trying to have fun. I got X if you wanna take drugs. Do you wanna have sex or do you wanna hate love? Which one, which one, which one, which? Too many guys now I gotta switch. Turn the hotel to a 20v1. 360 my head got spun. Drunk in a truck, can't see it from front. Girl your body is T, is paid now. Your backside way, you're down 1 ton. I got a chopstick for your 1 ton. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Popcorn and a slot, you just get just go.
We did in Vegas, gotta leave it here. Said I'll take it small, but one surgery, make a real hair. Second time, so I flood out with diamonds. These Chanel Vegas, I'm on this shit. Private, Jamaica trip, I'm in Dubai, I'm on the island. You get what you want if you just take it out of silence. Hold me back, baby, hold me back, baby. I'm a savage, I'm a rat, baby.
Hold it down to the end, I'm in a substantial price. It's slowly at the top, everybody's scared of heights. I know one day I'ma drop, I told you God and try and brag. Every time I open in my mouth, it's like a poet. Broke my baby's heart and now she partying and hoeing. If I had a pound for every time I made her cry, over a couple of years then I could probably buy a Boeing. Who do I get with? Girl, I'm unfortunate, I see who I set with. She investigated, detective, lucky for me, I deleted the message. All along it was me and that bad bitch, but I told her it was me and my brethren. At the end of this, that's how we done. I guess we gon' see it at 16. If I went court for all of them, tell I got caught, I'd have about 16 felons. I keep coming with stupid excuses like I was juiced and tripped and felon. Might take the risky Evan, but I don't know, cause these chicks be telling. At the minute, I'm hitting some risky women, I clean it up. Let's go!
If you see I'm doing worse, like no, I hit the reverse. I ain't checking the grip on my purse. I don't care, cause he did it first. Like you see I'm doing worse, yeah, I ain't checking.
You don't wanna fuck me on the first day they get out of here. I wanna roll, just hit 2 holes, that's 1 more.
I don't care if the next man lose. I try to see us man win. Business class is free, so my mum takes every step.
Boss! What? Navi, Mumbai? Bro, this one! Ready? Luckily! Yes, sir.
Central C!
Central C!
Yeah.
Good morning.
Available kat sini dengan bilik.
Oh my god. So obvious.
That's my order ready. Cool. Alright, we are at site stage. I can't see any.
Alright, we are backstage now. I just got goosebumps. I don't know why. Literally, I just got goosebumps. Girls are ready. Everyone's here. Everybody pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh!
We're going to put our jacket at the side stage and we'll be up soon.
Okay, girls, is it good?
Bobby, how y'all feeling? Roll it up, make some motherfucking noise. Woo! I got ice on the corners and I was an ice on the wrist. Yeah. Roll it out in there, make some fucking noise. Kick a leg, and then I'm doing that kick a leg. Bring up up on the stage, y'all pull up. Started from me, I didn't see it, let out of your pocket, I let it get on. Put your fucking hands up. Yes, sir. Couple of shine the right, mother do mix the right. Mommy wearing sorry, not the skirt. Mommy got the hips that make my vision blurred. Mommy looking like she's sweeter than dessert. Oh, Tani on my mic and she got thirst. I'ma pull up with some fresh jalebi just for her. She keep trying to find out what I got under my shirt. Even when I'm Mommy, mommy, mommy.
I should start they can't rap. I should start they can't get. I know, let me go with mine again. Hey, when you hit me, you know I keep it running like a Bombay. Call me young Mr. Fly, brown superstar. I got girls like groceries, I put them in the car.